Snowy Mountains are the traditional lands of the Walgol and Nagaria people. They're an area of incredible historical and ecological importance. Home to our largest alpine region and a habitat for hundreds of plant and animal species found nowhere else in Australia. But the Snowies are particularly threatened by climate change. If we continue the way we're going, it could lead to warmer winters and less snow, and scorching summer days that harm native plants and animals. Much of the Snowies was cleared for grazing in the past. Native habitat and natural carbon sinks were transformed into farmland. But there's a way that we can change that.
So we're crowdfunding to rewild the Snowies. Every $5 donated will ensure one tree thriving in Snowy Mountains soil. We'll be planting a mix of native species that are already present in the region. These will add to the local ecology and enhance the natural environment. By planting trees and regenerating forests, we can create new habitats for wildlife, beautify the natural environment, and most importantly, draw down carbon from the atmosphere and sequester it back in the earth where it belongs. And in doing so, we can help make a positive contribution towards reversing the effects of climate change. Now, more than ever, it's important that we give back to nature and protect our environment so that Aussies can continue to enjoy the great outdoors for years to come.
Our goal is to raise $30,000 to plant 6,000 trees in the Snowy Mountains. So spread the word and join this Tree Roots campaign like no other. With your contribution, we can rewild the Snowies.